Thank you, Aditya, right? I can know RAI name and Aditya very good. Yes, start already. Okay, now let me do some the lab 3. Okay. Although your assignment, I gave you a deadline is long, right? But the lab you still need to finish 8 lab. So this is our lab 3. Okay, lab 3. In the lab 3, remember, okay. This lab we will do some view the network traffic. Okay. So firstly, we need a different software. This is called Wireshark. You know Shark, right? Shark is very terrible, right, in the sea. Okay. Firstly, you need to download this, okay, and see how to install the Wireshark. Wireshark. What's happened? Okay. Download that, okay, and open this. Okay, open this. Okay. I didn't open that. Okay. Oh, I think, let me check if I'm wrong. Oh, I think maybe slowly. Oh no, I think maybe that's wrong. Okay, let me check. Okay. Let me see. Okay. For the lab. For the week 4. Sorry. This is our lab, but I want to see it's not this. Maybe I make a mistake about this. Oh my God, I make a mistake for this. Okay. Wait a minute, I need to. Okay, I need to check about the document. Okay, I think maybe I upload a wrong document. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will check about, because I need to find this document about how to install that. Okay, about. It's about where. Okay, I think I found this already. Let me share my screen. Okay. No, Sergio, I must give you a lab, because even you have lots of tests, right? But this lab is easy. Okay, don't worry, because we have 8 lab, we have no more time to do. I understand you. Yeah, you are busy, but this lab you only use 20 minutes. You can finish. Firstly, you need to download the Wireshark. Okay, Wireshark. So only go to the download, right? okay, and you can see the Wireshark, right? Wireshark. I gave the name already, so you only search the Wireshark, and you only click the Windows install, okay? Click that, okay? This is for the lab, okay, for the lab. So if you download this, okay, assignment is very late, okay. So if you click this, right, the Wireshark, right? So if you click that, you can run this, okay, you can run this, the Wireshark, right? And you can open that and install that. Okay, that's very easy, right? You know how to download and install that, right? After that, if you open that, right? If you can see, okay, yes, 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 right, like that, okay? So after you install that, it looks like this, okay? Wait a minute, a little bit slow. Yeah, it looks like this, okay? But let me stop this and close that, okay? Because this lab, you don't need to do anything about the packet tracer, okay? You only need to do some analysis and answer some questions, okay? I consider about your things because you have a midterm next week, so. But this lab is very easy, and also you don't need you only have one lab, okay? You have no lab 1, lab 2, okay? Let me see. Sorry about that, cause. And we go to our section, okay. This lab is easy because you can see from here and go to your lab, okay, lab. You will see you only have, in fact, you have only one lab, okay. You only have one lab. You have no 2 lab, okay. What's the problem? So this lab, okay, you only have one lab. Use Wireshark to view network traffic, okay. You have no 2 lab, right? Usually you have lab 1A, 1B, right? This you only have one lab. Another thing is how to install this, right? I will change that because this file is wrong. Okay, later I will change that. So the deadline is still Thursday. Okay, midnight. Okay. Now I will say about how to do this. Okay. So now let us go to see. Okay, what is the lab looks like. Okay, let us see. Okay, here. Okay. You don't need to draw this. Okay, this is only topology. Let you know. Okay, our computer connect to the router and to the internet, right? So you don't need to draw this. Okay, I will walk through with you together. Okay, so now focus and patient. Okay. So now we can do that. Okay, this is 1 week. You have enough time. 7 days. Okay, 20 minutes you can finish. You are smart. Okay. So part 1. Okay, capture and analyze remote ICMP data in the Wireshark. ICMP means that we only concern about the pin, right? Pin. You can see PING, right? PING. We need to do 2 parts. One is pin the local, one is pin the remote. Okay, remote. For the local, we only pin something about, I think note this document. I think this document. Okay, that's it. So that's weird. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will check. I'm very confused about this. Okay, lab 3. Let me edit that. I don't need this. I need my document. Wait a minute. Okay, I will check. Go to my lab and this one, I think. Yeah, this is the right way. Okay. Okay. Now you can see, okay, we need to pin two things. I give you three remote, right? You can pin the BBC, CBC, right? And the New York Times. Of course, you can also pin Google and maybe others, but follow me, okay? Only pin the three things, okay? And for the local, I only hope you can pin the gateway, okay? Now I will go step by step, okay, and tell you how to do that, okay? I will go step by step. Firstly, after you set up the Wireshark, you can open that, okay? It looks like this, okay, like a shark, right? Shark tail. After that, okay, you open your Wireshark. They say, welcome to the Wireshark, okay? And they will register and load that, okay? And after that, that's need some time. You can see, okay. Okay, I don't need update now. I can see I have the Wi-Fi, right, for the local area connection 11, local area connection 13, right? But this doesn't work, still disabled. So I have adapter for the loopback traffic capture, and also my Ethernet is also, because I use wireless, right? So this is also not work, okay? The Wi-Fi is work, right? You can see I only use my Wi-Fi. If you use the Ethernet, you can see the Ethernet will have a curve, right? Okay. So this is the first impression. You'll see the Wireshark. Okay, the Wireshark. Okay. So now, okay, y'all need to do like this. Okay. Now let us go see our lab. Okay, what it looks like. Firstly, we need to capture and analyze local ICMP data in Wireshark. And then we capture and analyze remote ICMP data in Wireshark. So remember, okay, you don't need to use the packet tracer this time. This one you don't need to draw, okay? You don't need to draw in the packet. You don't need a PKT, okay? You only need to answer the question here, okay? The question. Type your question answers here, okay? Type your answer to here, okay, and type your answer here. But how can you answer the question? You need to follow the lab step by step, okay? This is very easy, okay, very easy. Let us start, okay? Firstly, you need one PC, right? Laptop, everything, okay? But not your smartphone, okay? You must have one PC. Laptop or desktop, Windows, right, with internet access, that's enough. This one you need to remember, okay? You don't need that, it's not necessary. They say additional PC on local area network will be used to reply to ping requests. This is not necessary because this is only for your library, okay? Maybe you have teamwork, right? But now you work at home, right? You don't need this. But how we can do this? Okay, follow me. Okay, remember, don't ask me again and again, right? So you don't need this. Remember, it's not necessary. We only pin the gateway. We don't need to pin from other computer. Okay. Firstly, in part A, right? You will pin another PC. No, we will not pin another PC. Okay. So don't worry about this. Omit this. Okay. So you only need, firstly, you need to go to your command, okay, and type the ipconfig all, okay, ipconfig all, okay. So if we go to here, okay, you go to your command, okay. If you are in the Windows 10, you can select the CMD. If you're like me, right, in the Windows 8, you need to go to here, okay, and you need to search, right, from here. Okay, sorry. You need to go to here, okay, and you need to have the CMD, right? You can also see the CMD, right? Okay, you can click that, and you can have the CMD, okay. So firstly, okay, you need to know this is finished in your local computer, not in the packet tracer, okay. So you need to give the first one, right? Config, okay, IP config, right? and for all, okay. And before that, okay, y'all need to go to your, this one, right? You click the Wi-Fi, okay. Y'all can see lots of information here, okay, lots of information here, right? Okay, so I can give you ICMP. ICMP means that we only concern about the pin. We don't concern about others, okay? Because there's lots of information, right? ICMP, right? We see it's empty, nothing, okay? Nothing here, okay? So from here, okay, you only need to, maybe because I do something already, I clear all the screen, right? So now I start from the beginning, okay? So I make it smaller, okay? It's easy to see, right? Okay. So from here, you can see the first one is IP config, right? So we type the IP config, right? Oh, you know this command, right? This command, we can see everything, all the information in my computer, right? Maybe your computer internet different with me, right? Because I use the wireless, right? So you can see wireless, right? Two things, wireless, several things, right? But don't confuse, because you can see host name is MQ, right? This is my name, and blah blah, right? Don't pay attention to this, because you can see some things they say disconnected. So omit that, okay? Disconnected, right? Because we have others, right? NIC. Only think about my wireless, okay? Because I use my wireless. This is active, right? This is active. So I will not explain again, right? Read my recording, okay, and see that. So you can see the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, right? Okay, you can see my IPv4, right? This is my IP address, right? IP address. See, 192.168.0.110. Okay, this is preferred. Okay. And you can see my router gateway is 192.168.0.1, right? Okay. So now, okay, it's better for you to open one notebook, okay, and write down this. I write down already. IP address is 192.168.0.10, okay? It's here. Remember? Okay, it's here. Another one is for the MAC. Okay, where is the MAC? Okay. You can see the physical address, right? Physical address, but this is disconnected, right? Disconnected. So you can see your physical, okay, physical address, right? For this one, it's here, okay? Don't see here, okay, because this is not physical, this is disconnected, right? This is disconnected, so that's not the same, okay, NIC. The right network interface card is this. So physical address is 0C, okay, 84 DC HC, okay, C4 C3. So I write here, this is my MAC, okay, address, okay. And the default gateway is here, okay, 192.168.0.1. So I write here, okay, I write here. So these two things, okay, don't see this, okay. Only see the three things, okay, the three things. Now you record these three things already, right? Okay. So the next step, okay, we go down. And what we should do now, right? Okay, I make it a little bit larger, okay. And now we start, okay, capture the data, okay. We can ping, okay, we can ping. They say you'll ping another computer or ping your own computer, okay. We don't ping this. We ping our gateway, okay. Remember, I write my gateway IP address already, right? This, you can see your gateway, because we have no two computer, right? It's easier for us. I don't require you have two computer. So ping this, okay? So let me ping, okay? Go down, and I will ping, right? Ping what? Okay, I will go to the, see my, okay, see my IP, right? So your ping your gateway, okay? So ping your gateway. Your gateway is one, my gateway is this, right? But maybe your gateway is different, right? So, okay, I ping this, okay? I can see it goes through, means that my internet is okay, right? I can connect to my gateway. So reply from second, right, to MS. So now you'll go to the Wireshark, right, Wireshark. Oh, okay, y'all can see already, okay, y'all can see already from here. This is my source, right? This is my computer IP, 192.168.0.1. And this is my destination, 192.168.0.10, right? From source to destination. And from destination to source, source to destination, right? Reply, request and reply, right? For different package, okay? So y'all can see that's different frame, different package number, okay? During this period. Now we can see this, okay? We omit that, okay? And we see this, okay? So if we select the first one, or maybe, okay, we can see there is a Ethernet, okay? There is a source, right? And the destination, okay? Source and destination from here, okay? And we can see, okay? We can see that, for example, maybe this one, any one, okay? We can see the source and the destination, okay? We can see the source, right? It's like the, this is my IP, right? This is my IP. This is my MAC, remember? And this is for my destination MAC, okay? Destination MAC. So if I go back to the this one, right? Y'all can see it's 0C, 84, DC, 8C, C4, okay, C3, right? They are the same, right? They are the same. So now you'll go back to our document, okay, to our document. After the pin, y'all should find, okay, something, okay, and y'all need to answer your question, okay. Firstly, does the source MAC address match your PC interface? Yes, because y'all can see this one match, okay, this one, 0C84 match my MAC, right? So this is yes, right? Of course, y'all need to type, right, and test yourself and answer the question. So y'all give the yes, okay, here. And does the destination MAC address in Wireshark match your team members? Yes, right, because y'all have no team member. How is the MAC address of the pin PC? By your PC, right? Okay, so by your PC, by the pin, right? Y'all can get your MAC, right? So it's still yes, yes, I can get that, right? By the pin, okay? So this is very easy, right? For the first one, right? Only ping your gateway and compare the MAC address and see, okay? But you'll remember this is our gateway MAC, right? 00000000000802, right? So y'all can also record that, okay? So go to there and y'all can say my gateway, right? The MAC, right? Or like this, right? I can give it a 00000002, right? Okay. So this is my computer MAC. This is my gateway MAC, right? From the source to the target, right? So this, you can see this is source, right? Source to the target, SRC and the destination, right? So it's very clear. Now the next time is go to, you need to ping the remote BBC, right? And CBC and New York, right? So before that, I hope you can do this, okay? Capture, okay, stop that, okay? Stop that. And, okay, after that, we can start a new one. You don't need to keep that. So you can empty all, right? Make empty, right? So that is much clear, right? Much clear. So because you need to answer the following questions, following questions means that, okay, several questions about, okay. First one, review about this, Okay, the 3 location 要 pinged. List the destination IP and MAC address from all the 3 location in the space provided. Okay, so you need to ping one by one. Okay, one by one, the 3 address. And you can see, okay, what is the IP address and what is the MAC address. Okay, same. So now let us do this. Okay, let us do this. And you need to give the answer here. And you also need to answer what is the meaning, what is the significance of about the information. You need to do the analysis, right? How does the information differ from the local pin received in part A, part 1, okay? And the last question is reflection question, right? You need to answer this question. Why does Wireshark show the actual MAC address of the local host, but not the actual MAC address for the remote host? Okay, type your answer here. Okay, now I will show how to do that. For the appendix, right? This is only when you have a firewall, maybe you have some trouble, right? So if you have trouble, you need to follow this, right? And try to solve that. But usually you have no trouble, right? I also have the firewall, right? But sometimes maybe you have trouble, right? So this is not for your job. Only when you have some trouble, you can ask me or you can follow this instruction, okay? Now you need 3 answers, okay? One is for the first question, sorry. The first question, second question, third question. After you answer all the questions, you save this document and upload. Okay, this is the only job. This is your time you need to do. Okay, this is your lab require you to do. Now let us to do. Okay, so go back. Okay, firstly, we need to ping the CBC, right? Let me check. Okay, the BBC, right? So you can see here is empty, right? Here is empty. So we go to here and we will ping, right? Let us ping bbc.com, okay? We can see, okay, they reply already. And here we can see, okay, the source and the target, right? Destination. We see the BBC's IP, right? Their server's IP is here. Interesting, right? Okay, because this is my computer. This is a BBC, right? Computer in Europe. Right? So, you only need to write this IP here, right? So you need to type here, okay, the first BBC, right? The IP, right? The server IP is 151, right? 101.124, right? And 81. Maybe your spell, maybe your IP will be different, right? Sometimes dynamic or maybe different with this, okay? But only you need to check from here, right? You can see from here to here, here to here, right? Always, right? Okay. So this is for BBC, right? And you need to see, okay, what is the MAC? Oh, that's interesting. Because we can see the MAC, right? It's still the same, right? Because this is my MAC, this is the destination. This is my gateway, right? Not BBC, right? Think about that. Why? Okay. Now let us type another one. Okay, so this is your question. We will ping, okay, the CBC, right? The CA, right? And we can still ping the server, okay? Now we can see from here. Yeah, this one, right? This one will be different. So this will be CBC, right? So you will see, okay, and I will record this, okay? I will say CBC, right? IP. I will say, okay, MAC, BBC, sorry, BBC, BBC. I find the MAC is still show, okay, it's 00000. Maybe your things will be different with mine, right? Because your gateway will be different than the MAC. So don't copy this, okay? You must check from here. So you'll see, okay, this is still that, right? The BBC looks like this, the first, and the CBC, right? The IP will be 184.24, okay, 146, okay, and okay, 167, okay, everybody follow? Okay, and the mark is still okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 2. Okay, I see this. Okay, okay. So now we go to the 3. Okay, it's a New York Times, right? New York Times. So we go to the we ping. Okay, the www newyorktimes.com. Okay, and we can see. Okay, we can still ping that, right? Now we can see the different one. Okay, is this one. Okay, this one. So sorry. Seems they are not there, right? So we stop that. Okay, and let us see what happened. Okay, we also start a new one. If you find that you're confused, right? You can start a new one and see what happened, right? We can ping. Okay, New York Times. New York Times. I don't think it's yes, now it's out, right? It's out. So still this one, right? 151. Okay, so y'all can write down this. Okay. So this one, because just now it's very hard for me. See what is that? The IP, okay, is 151.101.125 and 164. Okay, and the mark is still okay 00, right? Same. Okay, same. Because if we see this, okay, and we see that, still, right? Okay, no change. Okay, no change. So we can still say this one is still 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, right? Okay, we answered the first question. The second question, what's that mean? Okay, that means, right? A pin to the local, to the remote, right? They return what? They return the MAC address of our gateway, right? They didn't return their different website, the MAC, because if so, they will be different. So they only return our MAC of the gateway, right? So why is different from the local? Because the local, right, return the MAC of the PC NIC, but for the remote one, right, we return for the gateways, right? So I will note right here. You should answer that, right? So only compare and give the answer. For the local, what's the difference? For the remote, what's the difference, right? Okay. Local is only return our MAC address of the PC NIC, right? And the remote, we only return the gateway of that, right? Okay, so the last question, why does, right, the MAC address of the same, right, remote, because they only return our gateway, right? Okay, so the last question is like that. So, okay, I nearly gave your answer, right? But y'all need to do yourself, okay? Don't copy me, right? Okay, y'all need to ping all this. Y'all need to ping your gateway. But remember, okay, don't ping this, okay? Because this is only to give the example. You must ping your gateway like what I did, right? You must record your IP address, the MAC, the default gateway, the gateway MAC, right? Okay. And also you can search from YouTube, right? From here, okay, you can also see the lab, okay? You can also see the lab. If you go to here, okay, you'll search yourself, okay? But there's lots of video about this, okay? This one is the newest one, okay? For the this is the advertisement, okay? After that, okay, y'all will see this. So y'all will see after this, okay? Y'all can let us skip. So y'all can see this lab, okay? They will give very detail about how to do that, but a little bit different with our this lab, right? But it's similar. So if you still can't understand, you'll review my record of the video, or you'll go to the YouTube and search the lab, and you also can see, okay? This lab is use Wireshark, okay, Wireshark to view network traffic, okay, traffic. So this is important, okay? So don't worry, I said, right, if we have no time, you can stay here, and after 11, I will give you some time to ask a question. Okay, so that's the lab. Okay, we finish already. Okay, everyone. After that, you only save this. Okay, save that. Okay, with your student name and number from here and submit. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is our lab. Okay, so now you can ask me some question. Send me message, or I think maybe better, because if all of you talk, right, I can't listen what you talk. Maybe later I will, after 11, I will make it, yeah, you can talk. But now you can let me know your question, okay? Where to write the answer? I just see that, thank you, right? Let me talk again. I see many times, right? Only in this document, download that and type your answer here, okay? Understand? Okay. Just handprint. You'll say, hello, sir, when I test the connectivity in PCB and enter the pin at the prompt, then my PC gives no truth. I told you just time, don't say that, okay? I just say, okay, write down your IP address, MAC, and default gateway. Don't pin that one. Okay, that's only example. I said already. Just handprint, you just sleep. I think you'll sleep. Yes. Just handprint must sleep just now. Okay. What is the first step? Okay. After you finish that, the first step is only select your. Okay. Now let me open this again. Okay. Let me open that. Okay. Open that and select your which one is your leaf values. Okay. Yes, I believe that. Okay. Just handprint, right? Yeah, very good, but just you must not pay attention to. I just said don't pin 192.168.111. That's wrong. Okay. You must pin your local gateway. Okay. How do you know our IP? Thank you. I just said already, configure all. IP configure all, right? See the document, Okay, I show already. See my recording later, okay? How know your IP? IP config, right? Okay, I answered that question. The first step is that when you open that, you select the curve, right? So select the Wi-Fi, okay? And click this. And you need to give the ICMP, because ICMP means that you're only concerned about the IP command. Okay. She was asking about lab 2, really? Okay. Okay. Budget, you know that, right? PDF or doc, anyone is okay, sir. I can sleep. That's not a big question, right? PDF, I can give you 0? No, I don't think so. The lab instructor can't give you 0, right? PDF and doc, if your answer is right? But don't copy, okay? Some students copy all the wrong, okay? I know you can find some answer from the internet, but don't copy, okay? Because your lab instructors talked to me already. I said the first time, second time is okay, but third time you can't copy directly. You must answer yourself, okay? The due date is next Thursday, midnight, okay? Okay. Assignment. Job agent, you must sleep, right? Because I said assignment is July 2022, right? Everybody know, right? Okay. Yes, you enter ICMP. Yeah, you can see from our record. Okay. Thank you. Cash Sharp, right? Extend, no extend, budget. You are very good student, right? 7 days, you can't finish this. I only use 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, this is so easy, right? Only answer some question and I monitor that. If you can't do this in 5 minutes, how can you find a job in future? The boss will fire you, right? Okay. Yes, IJPL, if you have no question, you can leave the class. Okay. Everybody, if you have no question, you can leave the class because we finished the lecture. But remember, okay, come here for the midterm next Thursday, 8 o'clock, right? Don't forget. Okay, don't say, sir, please, I miss my midterm. Okay, I really have trouble to do that. 7 assignment, I don't know. I never give you 7 assignment, right? And 4 tests, no budget. I never give that. Okay, class is over. Yeah, due period, class is over. Yeah, I give you question time because some students complain that no question time, right? It will take some time to show what? I confused about that question. Others teacher, so you should complain to other teacher. Why you give me so many assignment budget? I give you no so many assignment. I extend your assignment to July 22nd, right? I'm very nice, right? Okay. So you need to talk, discuss with other teacher. Give us too many assignment, right? Okay. What we have to do in midterm? Yeah, midterm you need to finish one job, right? Similar as lab 2. Okay, I talk already. Check our recording from 8 to 8:20. I talk about the midterm. Okay, Jabanet. Okay. I'm asking about lab 2, not lab 3. Jess Hamprint, you talk about lab 2 what? Can you talk again? Because I can't see your message. Lab 2, you'll finish. Lab 2 is today deadline, right? Can you please go through the course outline due on test 1 and the keywords we are supposed to go through? All the things will keep the same as the outline, but I will flexible. I will keep the rights to change a little bit about that because we can't always according to the outline of the course. All the things, right? We follow most of that. Okay. But midterm, we must finish next week, okay? After enter ICMP command, it will take some time to show. Yes, a little bit time, depend on your computer speed and something. Okay. Yes, please don't request for extension for the due date. I really give lots of time, right, for the lab 3. Yes, I'm a very cool one, right? You are good. Remember, you are my speaker. That's very good. 7 days, you finish a 10 minutes job, right? That's very easy, right? Okay, don't let me extend again. Okay, I extend your assignment, right? Okay. Yes, I need to consider all the students because I know if I talk, right? Somebody can't follow me. But sorry, some students maybe feel, okay, my English accent, right? Or maybe you think, okay, I can't understand the binary. I can't understand the 16, right? So y'all need to talk to me, right? Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Belgit, you are very great. Okay. You are very excellent student. All the students are very good. Okay. I believe you are very smart, very good. Okay. I can see you study very hard. Okay. So some things y'all can solve that, right? How to download the software, how to set up. So that's so easy, right? So easy. Again, don't ping. Okay, again. Okay, let me say again. Okay, don't ping this. Okay, don't ping this. Okay, this is only example, sir. Okay, and ladies. Okay. Any other question? Okay, thank you. Remember my speaker. You are my speaker, right? Okay, thank you so much. And have a nice day. Have a good night, right? Have a good night. Y'all have a good night, right? I am the morning, but you are the night, right? Thank you, Akash Deep. Thank you, Akash Deep. I can't understand your words, Belgit. Yeah, you'll talk about Punjabi, right? Okay, everyone. Other students have questions? If you still have questions, stay here. Okay. If you have no question, you can leave. Again, okay, Monday and Tuesday afternoon, right? I have the leave chatting, okay? And you can see the link from our team, and you can also see from our Blackboard, because I always post before that, okay? Yes, stop the recording. Yeah, that's good, okay? Because I always forget that. That's good. You always remind me. Okay, that's good. Record, stop recording. Okay.